reppin' for my city, I'm they backbone. Till the clock stops, we gon' run a gun and bring it back home, let's go. We number one, you know. We go hard, be small. We won't stop, oh no, ain't gon' never stop. From the ground up, we on top, can't take our spot. We march in like a marching band with a game plan on my game face. It's game night, let's be great. Apply pressure, raise the stakes, it's legendary. Make 'em break. We ain't never backing down, we ain't never gonna stop. We gon' take it to the limit, we gon' take it to the top. We ain't never giving up, we ain't never gon' stop. Till the very last second, till we're running out the clock. We ain't never gon' stop. To the very last second, till we're running out the clock. Go big or go home, the whole team on go. This is everything that we work for. Let the whole world know we came to win. This is victory. Sound off the drum roll. This one is for the home team. Bring it home for the trophy. Teamwork makes the dream work. Hard work and dedication, motivation and progress. Can't stop, we ain't done yet. Every summer we run this. Go be smooth, my Sean Lynch. Bow down to no man and stand like a champion. We ain't never backing down. We ain't never gonna stop. We gon' take it to the limit. We gon' take it to the top. We ain't never giving up. We ain't never gonna stop. Till the very last second, till we're running out the clock. We ain't never gonna stop. To the very last second, till we're running out the clock. We ain't never backing down, we ain't never gonna stop. We gon' take it to the limit, we gon' take it to the top. We ain't never giving up, we ain't never gonna stop. To the very last second, till we're running out the clock. Gonna stop. We gon' take it to the limit. Yeah, we gon' take it to the top. We ain't never giving up. No, we ain't never gon' stop. To the very last second, till we're running out the clock. We ain't never backing down. We ain't never gonna stop. We gon' take it to the limit. We gon' take it to the top. We ain't never giving up. We ain't never gonna stop. Till the very last second, till we're running out the clock. We ain't never backing down. We ain't never gonna stop. We gon' take it to the limit. We gon' take it to the top. We ain't never giving up. We ain't never gonna stop. Till the very last second, till we're running out the clock.
Squad looking hella fresh. You know I got a baddie, I'm a flex. You know I gotta have it, just say yes. And the motto be get fresh. Now I'm back on the set. Around the world I got next. Put some respect on my name, you're not in my lane, stay out my lane. So fresh, so clean, clean, supreme, you know I'm a dream. Not in my team, you're not even fresh. Look at my drip, you know I'm the best. Squad looking hella fresh. You know I got a baddie, I'm a flex. You know I gotta have it, just say yes. And the motto be get fresh. You ready? Let's go. Let's go. Whole squad looking hella fresh. You know I got a baddie, I'm a flex. Whole squad looking hella fresh.
I've barely spoken. Your words have been so broken. I've been under your hypnosis. Why did I sip that potion? I'm so done with holy ghosting. My birth, it is an omen. Lay me down up in the ocean until you see no motion. Right now I can barely focus. I'm showing no emotion. On your knees, show your devotion. My skin is black but golden. I'm not here for bragging, boasting. Ain't lying, I've been chosen. Mine is burning, hearts exploding. This is my magnum opus. Are you with me now? Said, are you with me now? Ain't felt this good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? I stop and just look around to see if you're with me now. Tell me, are you with me now? Ready to put it down. Start at the bottom, already forgot them, but they won't forgive me now. You really ain't ready now. You haters just in the crowd, but still I just look around. Are you with me now? Are you with me? Step in the fire, get ready to take it higher. Real nigga coming out your amplifier. I want every black man to be rich and proud. Why these weapons fuck up and turn into shy, huh? Cell phone became your brother, internet replace your mother. You leaving homies on red, it's no wonder all your friends dead. Jealousy was a centerpiece, so my best friends turned to enemies. Sabotage my identity, why they wanna treat me like a Kennedy? They wanna affect the legacy, protect the heart, I cut off the extremities. I'll never be another piece in your recipe for social supremacy. Are you with me now? Said, are you with me now? Ain't felt this good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? I stop and just look around to see if you're with me now. Tell me, are you with me now? Ready to put it down. Start at the bottom, already forgot them, but they won't forgive me now. You really ain't ready now. You haters just in the crowd, but till I just look around. Are you with me now? Are you with me now? Are you with me now? Say, are you with me now? Ain't felt this good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? I stop and just look around to see if you're with me now. Tell me, are you with me now? Ready to put it down. Start at the bottom, already forgot them, but they won't forgive me now. You really ain't ready now. You haters just in the crowd, but still I just look around. Are you with me now? Are you with me now? It's too late to shut it down. I'm waiting about now. Burning the valley down. I don't know what your mind is. Don't even know what time it is. Somebody stop it. I don't think I'm alive. I feel it coming now. It's too late to shut it down. Over the mountain now. Burning the valley down. I don't know where my mind is. Don't even know what time is. Somebody stop the virus. Room full of bodies, but nothing but silence. Yeah, I'm quiet, but fuck all that shyness. Go crazy, turn this bitch into an asylum. You fly, but we ain't looking for pilots. I never bow down to a tyrant, it's highness. Even Jack said fuck all them giants. What goes up comes down, man, that's basic science. Look in my iris and you'll see the fines. I'd rather not get involved with you niggas. What's the problem, man? I'll solve all you niggas, huh? How you find when your time up? How you climb when your line stuck? Barbershop getting lined up. Yeah, your head good, but your mind fucked. Super damn clear, Uber everywhere. This sound like Superman is here. Are you with me now? Said, are you with me now? Ain't felt this good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now?